quick training on pauses, cadence, and listening. So, probably the most effective thing and the most effective change you can make in your sales call is pausing in between sentences and pausing and letting the other person speak. And when they're speaking, just listen and wait until they finish speaking and give it a full second before you start speaking. Because a lot of times Americans will have a pause as they gather their thoughts and then they have more to say. And so oftentimes what happens with salespeople is an American will pause and then the salesperson will jump in just as the American starts to speak again, and then they talk over each other. Anytime there is both people talking at once, that is a error on our salesperson's on our end, because we want to leave enough gap where we hear everything they say. Because really, what a sales call is about is gathering information from them. It's not about us getting our questions asked. It's about us hearing the information that they're willing to give us. So anytime they're talking, we can just let them talk. And even after they finish talking, let's say they're talking just like this, I'll show you how long the pause might be. They might be saying something like this, and then they might get close to finishing. Okay, then you might come in and answer or say the next question. So you leave maybe even a 2-second pause. The stronger you get at pausing and listening, the stronger salesperson you're going to be. This is probably the number one tip and the most important thing to learn as a phone sales rep. And it will make you twice as good on the phone if you never interrupt. There you go. Let's keep getting better. Appreciate your time and your diligence, and appreciate what you do. I know that phone work is a special skill, so thank you. Before this video ends, I need to share something that's going to help you crush it. So I've made over 5 million cold calls and worked with dozens of land teams over the last year. And I cracked the code on how to hire a cold caller that'll get you 5 qualified leads a day, close $15,000 to $100,000 every single month. And I put together a complete cold caller hiring blueprint that I can show you exactly my interview questions that I use so that I can spot savages on the phone, people who actually show up and crush it. I've hired over 100 cold callers now. I know exactly what to look for. I'll also show you my quick 3-step filtering system that saved me thousands of dollars with bad hires, and all the steps from job posting through final interviews, how to pick good talent, and then the exact pay structure and the onboarding that keeps my top performers from jumping ship. And a little hint is it's not obvious and it's not what most land investors do. I've had clients who've paid over $2,500 for this info. Right now, I'm giving away completely free. I basically know that once you see how we operate, how effective we are with cold calling, all our processes, it's likely that you'll want to partner with us and scale your land team. So click below, get instant access to my complete cold caller hiring system. And don't wait, because it's likely I won't keep this free forever. One more thing is that inside you'll also get access to my private school community where I share my entire cold calling system. I'm talking battle tested scripts that we've done millions of cold calls with, my follow-up process that we use to qualify leads, how I manage the cold callers so they perform, and everything that's working right now in today's land investing market. So click below, get the free guide, and then let's start scaling your land business together.